In the dynamic world of cryptocurrency, news travels fast, and when a figure like Elon Musk is involved, it captures worldwide attention. Recently, Musk's mention of the Pi network ignited speculation and excitement among investors and enthusiasts alike. The implications of his remarks sparked discussions about the potential trajectory of Pi network and its relationship to the broader crypto market. This renewed interest comes amid a backdrop of ongoing developments within the Pi network itself, a project that aims to create a user-friendly digital currency accessible to everyone. Since its inception, Pi network has emphasized a unique approach that includes mining on mobile devices, allowing individuals to earn currency without the need for expensive hardware. This accessibility has contributed to a growing community of users who are eager to see how the project evolves. However, it's important to note that as of May 2026, there is no official confirmation tying Elon Musk to the Pi network or influencing its roadmap. The rumors surrounding Musk's connection have been fueled by his history of engaging with various crypto initiatives and his prominent presence on social media platforms. His influence in the tech and finance sectors often leads to volatility and swings in market sentiments. So, what does Musk's mention of the Pi network mean for its future? Investors are speculating whether his endorsement might lead to increased legitimacy and support for the project. Historically, Musk's comments have led to significant price shifts in cryptocurrencies, leaving many in the community pondering whether his engagement could drive further adoption and investment. Pi network's founders have worked diligently to differentiate their project from other cryptocurrencies. The community is largely optimistic, hoping that Musk's acknowledgement could bring additional visibility. As the anticipation builds, users and potential investors are closely monitoring developments, scrutinizing every piece of information that emerges. It's a fascinating time for the cryptocurrency landscape, especially for projects like Pi network, which are positioning themselves amid the growing competition. The project has faced skepticism from traditional financial institutions and some cryptocurrency veteran circles. Nonetheless, the burgeoning community stands firm in its belief that Pi can carve out its niche in the expansive crypto universe. The mention of Pi network by Musk, even without solid ties, has served as a catalyst for discussions about the project's future potential and its role within the larger cryptocurrency ecosystem. Analysts are analyzing market trends to gauge whether this newfound attention might translate into tangible benefits for the project. Given Musk's substantial influence, there is a palpable buzz that could lead to expanded user engagement and investor interest. As the project continues to unfold, the Pi network team remains focused on enhancing its platform, ensuring it meets the needs of its growing user base. The community is actively involved, engaging in discussions about possible features and improvements aimed at solidifying Pi's place in the market. This involvement reflects the ethos of decentralization and user empowerment that the project embodies. While Musk's mention cannot guarantee success, it undeniably shines a spotlight on Pi network, prompting further curiosity and inquiry. As investors consider the implications, many are asking whether this is merely a passing mention or a potential turning point for the project. The cryptocurrency journey is often marked by uncertainty and the unpredictable nature of market dynamics. In this continuously evolving landscape, every mention by a high-profile figure can either validate or diminish the prospects of a project. The excitement around Musk's comments illustrates the tightrope of speculation that characterizes the crypto world. As the narrative unfolds, the community watches with bated breath, eager to see how this attention translates into action. In the end, what remains crucial is the sustained efforts of the Pi network team and its community. Regular updates and clear communication regarding the project's roadmap will be essential for maintaining momentum. While external influences can enhance visibility, the heart of cryptocurrency projects lies in their development, community engagement, and foundational principles. This moment serves as a reminder of the intricate relationship between figures like Musk and the cryptocurrency landscape, demonstrating how influence and innovation can shape the future of digital currencies. As we move forward, only time will tell if Musk's mention will catalyze significant developments for Pi network or if it remains a mere footnote in the broader narrative of cryptocurrencies. Regardless, the excitement surrounding this mention illustrates the vibrant and often unpredictable world of digital currencies.